Welcome back to JRF Mechanical. Today we're going to replace a dishwasher, and the pump has failed. $350 for a new pump, or $100 more, and you can get a nice new one that's made by Whirlpool. And so the first thing you want to do is go ahead and turn off your water. It needs to look like that, or it can be located down here for the water line, and you can see it kind of going through the wall along with the drain hose to your garbage disposal. So you'll want to get one of these hex bit, or you can use your straight blade to turn it. In this case, since this is an existing dishwasher, I went ahead and undid it from the drain, because this one need a little longer hose, because sometimes the dishwashers have a short hose on them and you gotta have to compensate for the distance. The next thing you'll want to do is undo your water line to it. You can get a pair of channel locks and just undo it, and you'll want to make sure your water's off anyway. And then the next thing you'll be doing is your electrical. You'll need to undo it in this little cover and shut the breaker off to it, so you don't have to worry about getting a little bit shocked. You know, it won't badly hurt you, but it's no fun. Nobody likes to get shocked. So you'll undo the wire nuts that go in here. You don't need to open the little door, or it's hanging out here with wire nuts. And then you'll be able to pull this out. You'll have to undo your screws that are mounting under it. And sometimes you'll have your mounting screws you have to take off this cover. But if you don't feel comfortable doing it, and you're like, I'm scared of electricity and water, plumbing, then just call up a handyman or a contractor, but it's going to cost you a lot hiring a plumber.